about IoT. The full form of IoT is Internet of Things. So what is Internet of Things? Why should we pursue in Internet of Things? So in Internet of Things, it's actually the future. It's actually the future of the world. After a year, after 2 years, every company, every IT company, every computer science company will hire the IT engineers, which have good knowledge in IoT. So in Internet of Things, we can connect any physical device to the internet, any device. In fact, if we have a pen here, so if here we have a pen, we can connect it to the internet. How can we connect it to the internet? If we have miniature devices, internet devices, so we can include those miniature devices in those pens. So with those miniature devices, it can be this physical device, physical object can be connected to the internet. So after that, we can add features. What feature we can add? That we can know its location. We can know its location from anywhere in the world, from any corner in the world. So as you can see, we can introduce IoT in our bulbs. We can introduce IoT in small things. So I mean that we can introduce IoT in everything. So IoT is the future, so we should do something in IoT. So for pursuing IoT, what knowledge should we have? First of all, we should have knowledge about the hardware components. So we should know about the hardware, and we should know about the coding. The IoT is mainly coded in C, C++, Python. We are going to use microcontrollers and microprocessors, which are going to be connected to the IoT devices, IoT components. There are various components, various devices, for example, ESP8266, which are going to be connected to microcontrollers or microprocessors, or Ethernet shield, which will provide IoT to those microcontrollers and microprocessors. And coding is important. So we are using our coding for the we are using the coding part. In the coding portion, we are going to code the microprocessors using C, C++ or Python, and microcontrollers. So we are going to use those high-level languages to code our microcontrollers.